Hello everyone, welcome back to SRBPS online classes. This is Sadhna for Social Science. Students, in this video we'll move further to the last physical division of India, that is the coastal plains and the islands. Previously, we have studied that the southern part of our country is made up of plateaus. The edges of the plateaus bordering the seas and ocean form the coastal plains. In this map, the green shaded part is showing the coastal plains of India. These plains stretch around 6100 km from Gujarat in the west to West Bengal in the east. The coastal plains of India are divided into two main parts. Number 1, the eastern coastal plains, and number 2, the western coastal plains. Let's learn about these coastal plains in India. The eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. They stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. The average width of the plains is about 120 kilometers. They are wider than the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are divided into two parts. The northern part is known as the Northern Sarkars, while the southern part is known as the Coromandel Coast. Many rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri form large deltas along the eastern coastal plains. The climate of this region is hot and humid in summers and it is cool in winters. These plains receive less rainfall than the western coastal plains. The western coastal plains. The western coastal plains are situated between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. They stretch from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to Kerala in the south. The average width of these plains is about 65 kilometers. The western coastal plains can be divided into three parts. The extreme north part is called the Gujarat coast. It has a chain of saline marshes near the coast. The middle part is called the Konkan coast. It covers the coastal districts of Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka, and it has a number of sandy beaches. The southern part is called the Malabar coast. It lies mostly in Karnataka and Kerala. Lagoons, or we can say backwaters, which are locally called kayals, are found along the Malabar coast. Most of the rivers coming from the Western Ghats are short and swift. The weather in this region remains hot and humid throughout the year. The Malabar coast is the wettest region of South India. The islands. India has two major groups of islands. Number 1, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Both these groups of islands are union territories of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands consist of over 570 big and small islands. And out of all these islands, only 38 islands are inhabited. Most of these islands are hilly with dense forest. And if we talk about the Lakshadweep Islands, then the Lakshadweep Islands consist of only 36 islands, out of which only 10 are inhabited. These islands are of coral origin. Hills and streams are absent on these islands, and Minicoy is the largest island in this group.